Hello, welcome back. This is Maurice Dimba, and today I want just to discuss with you about layers, tips, and tricks in AutoCAD. Oftentimes we find it difficult to work with layers in AutoCAD. Today I want just to show you the straightforward way on how you can handle layers in AutoCAD. Now, if I take you to layers properties here, you'll find we have so many layers that you'll find it overwhelming to handle. So the reason why there are so many is because this plan was imported or was exported from a different software into AutoCAD format. So it came along with all those layers. So we want to simplify all those layers and put in what is necessary for us. So the rest we'll have to delete. So prior to that, I'll just to show you how we can redefine the layers that we will find necessary to work with. So let me just first of all take you back to layers properties. You can see we have all these in place. So all these are not necessary. So number one, we have to redefine or put in what we really need. And to put what you really need, we'll have to create new layers of those particular parts that we find very necessary. Like in our case here, if I go back to the plan, you see we have the walls, we have the windows, we have the internal furnitures, we have the doors, we have all these, we have the windows, we have the columns here. So we want to define or create new layers for those specific parts in the model here, or in the plan here, and get rid of the so many layers that we've seen under layers properties. So what do? We'll go back to layers properties here and start creating new layers that will match with the parts or with the sections or with the objects that are existing on our plan. So to create new layer, just mouse over this button here and you'll be able to see create new layer. So if I click on that, I'll be able to see layer 1. So I want to key in this layer as wall. So let me just start with the caps on. I'll just press W and just type wall there. So I have my layer already created. So I want to just go to the next layer, create another layer. So I'll go ahead to the same button right there and click on it. So once I've clicked on it, I'm going to key in the column. Let me just type a column. Let me just type that accurately. So let me just add S there to make it meaningful. That will be a number of columns, not just a single column. Now we want to add another layer that will be furniture. So I'm going to click on that and just type furniture right there. So I'm going to create another one, and this will be windows. So if I'll just go ahead and click on there to create another one. Furniture, do we have another layer in place? No, our furniture is okay. Let me just create one there. So I have layer there. So I have furniture in place, I have windows in place. Let me just type windows. Let me delete that and just type windows right there. Once I've done so, I'm going to create another one. And that one will be a staircase, because we have staircase on our plan, so we have to create another layer for that. The reason why we are creating new layers is because we want to redefine the layers that will be necessary for us, not this huge list of layers that are not useful to us at all. Now I'm going to just type staircase right there, and I'll add another one, and this will be doors. So let me just go ahead and create another one. We have a layer in place. I'm not seeing any active there. So we have doors in place. So I'll just type doors, and I'll create another one. I'll add grid line. Let me just type grid lines. So I've done so, and those are the names of layers that we want to see, or we want to assign all the parts of our plan to. So once we've done so, we want to get rid of the unnecessary layers in the list here. So let's meet on the next step, where I'll be showing you how we can assign those parts to the names we've just described here. So let's meet then.